Hi everyone, welcome back to another quick, easy and interesting recipe. Since it's strawberry season now, so let's make today a delicious strawberry milkshake with just 4 ingredients which you are going to love it. And now let's get started with the making process. And here I've taken some fresh strawberries sliced into half. Now let's transfer them into a blender jar. Next into this I will add a tablespoon of sugar, but you can skip it also if you don't want any sugar in it. Then goes some milk. You can add any milk of your choice. And for this rich and creamy taste, I will add a scoop of vanilla and strawberry flavored ice cream, which will make our strawberry milkshake thick, creamy and delicious. And finally, I will add some ice cubes, which will add texture to our milkshake, making it creamier and frothier. And now let's close the blender jar and blend this until we get a rich and thick consistency. Let's check this now. And our creamy and delicious strawberry milkshake is now ready to be served and enjoyed chilled. And friends, here goes our quick, easy and delicious strawberry milkshake, which can be prepared with just 3 or 4 ingredients. So friends, do try this recipe. Also share your feedbacks. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.